The following video addresses how to replace the main electronic board on GE refrigerators. Warning: electrical shock. To avoid personal injury, disconnect power before servicing this product. Tools required include a 1/4-inch nut driver, needle nose pliers, and for some models, a wire cutter. Unplug the refrigerator and locate the rear panel. Remove the 1/4-inch screws and set the panel aside. Gently pull on each connector to disconnect from the board. Warning: do not pull on the wires. Make sure to grasp at the connector only. Failure to do so could result in damage to the wires. Leave the blue connection connected to the board until the board is removed. Using needle nose pliers or a flathead screwdriver, press in on the white standoff pin as shown to remove the board. Disconnect the blue connector on the board. If provided, please follow the instructions included with the board. Some models may require a jumper wire to be cut in order for your refrigerator to operate correctly. Before installing the board, reconnect the blue connector to the board. Reseat the board to the refrigerator. Reconnect the electrical connectors by gently pushing the connectors onto the terminals. The connectors on the new board may be in a different order or location than the old board. Using a screw as a guide, secure the ground wire to the refrigerator frame. Reassemble the back panel. On some models, it may be necessary to remove or cut more wires. Follow all additional instructions if provided for your model.